to Research Rock. In this video, we will see one more product unboxing, product coming from TELESIN brand, and this is the shortest tripod with extra power bank, 5000 ampere power bank in this tripod. The specific tripod made for GoPro devices, but I'm using this one for my smartphone device. Which types of product we are receiving, we will do unboxing, how to use this tripod to my smartphone and how many advantages we will do. First of all, I will show you where I'm purchasing this one. I'm purchasing this tripod from Amazon. Even TELESIN store link I already added in video description. This exactly tripod I am purchasing, TELESIN Shorty Selfie Rechargeable extension tripod as well, and 5000 ampere battery including remote control, compatible with GoPro Max Hero and like a 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13 large capacity of power bank GoPro. This is the product I'm purchasing. The product look like this. It's very tiny, it's very impressive. Now we'll do unboxing. First of all, I need to cut the wrapper here. Now I just simply open this one. Tripod look like this. It's impressive box as well. I just simply here brand name and the information showing inside the box. Now box is empty. Here is the magic booklet, how to use, available for 2 languages. One is a Mandarin and one is a English. So we receive here 3 product and now box is empty. So first one, this is our tripod. Look at this, really impressive tripod. You can see like this. Second box, we receive C2C charging cable. It's very tiny and smart. Charging plus connect this cable to your GoPro or smartphone as well. And this is the grip, you can fix here like this. It's easy. Here the remote control. I just simply remove this one. You can open this remote control as well like this. It's easy. This is the automatically charging light is connected here. It's easy like video, photo and timer. First of all, we need to connect this one, so we can fix like this automatically. First thing, one of the important point, this is the really impressive tripod and if you want extend this tripod, so this is the height of the tripod and you can fix like this. Here is the remote control. You can carry this remote control other hand as well, so you can fix the tripod device GoPro and use this one. And now question come, how to charge or how to fix this one. It's easy. Look at this here, 2-point section is this. You can change like this, location as well, round off. So here is the power for here. You can connect this one C port, and another C port you should connect in your GoPro or iPhone as well, depend upon where you want fix this one. Currently I don't have right now in GoPro, so I just simply purchase this extension to fix here, and afterwards we can connect here to my mobile phone. So multiple product is available like this, so you just simply use this. So here is my smartphone device, so I just simply connect here like this and it's easy. I just simply connect here the C port as well, and it's really easy. You can fix like this or use this. Previously I'm using this tripod, really I don't happy about this tripod, so that's why I'm purchasing this one and impressed about the TELESIN brand. You can charge as well like this. I can record the video and charging as well, so I can use recording as a long time, and it's really impressive. Second thing, you can connect this device to your iPhone or smartphone and use. So this is the simple unboxing and review video as well. If you charge this power bank plus the tripod, you just simply connect this one and attach in power bank. Otherwise you can connect like your device, charge very easily, GoPro or any other smartphone device as well. And this is the extension like this. This is the final height of this extension. It's really impressive. You can use this one like a 360 or 80 degrees, and afterwards you can very easily record pairing the Bluetooth and capture the picture as well. It's very easy. If you have any question related on this tripod, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.